Hello, everybody. Welcome back to our channel, Learn English with David and Alice. Hey, Alice, let me ask you something.
Sure, David.
Can you describe your day in English from morning to night?
That's actually not easy for beginners.
Exactly, and that's why today's lesson is super important.
Today, we're going to help you talk about your daily life in English, step by step.
Not just words, real sentences you can use every day.
And we'll make it simple so you can follow easily.
And quick reminder, if you want to speak English confidently,
Subscribe now because we practice real English here.
all right, let's start. Today, we're going to listen to a simple daily routine.
Yes, it's about a person named Alex.
Listen carefully, because after that, we'll help you understand everything.
Hi, my name is Alex, and I want to talk about my daily routine.
I usually wake up at 7 in the morning.
The first thing I do is turn off my alarm.
Then I get out of bed and go to the bathroom.
I take a shower and get dressed.
After that, I go to the kitchen and make breakfast.
I usually have eggs and coffee.
While I eat, I check my phone.
Then I brush my teeth and leave the house.
I go to work at 8:30.
I work on my computer and talk to my colleagues.
At 12, I have lunch.
After lunch, I continue working.
I finish work at 5 and go back home.
When I get home, I feel tired.
So I relax and watch TV.
Sometimes I cook dinner.
After dinner, I read a book or use my phone.
Then I get ready for bed.
And I go to sleep at 10:30. All right, let's break this down.
First, we heard, I wake up at 7.
Wake up means you stop sleeping.
Then, I get out of bed.
That means you leave your bed physically.
Next, I take a shower.
Very common. You can also say, have a shower.
I make breakfast.
That means you prepare food.
I go to work.
Simple and very important sentence.
I have lunch.
Have here means eat.
I finish work.
That means your work is done.
I relax.
That means you rest.
I go to bed.
That means you sleep. Now it's your turn. Repeat after me.
I wake up at 7.
Good.
I go to work. Perfect. I have lunch.
Nice.
I relax at home.
Great job. Now let's make it a real conversation. Alice, what do you do in the morning?
I wake up, take a shower, and have breakfast.
Nice. What about your afternoon?
I work and have lunch with my friends.
Great. And at night?
I relax and watch TV.
Perfect English. Now, listen carefully. If you can't talk about your day,
You will struggle to speak English in real life.
but if you master this,
You can have conversations anywhere.
so here's your challenge.
Write your daily routine in the comments.
Even if it's simple, just start.
We will read it and maybe feature it in the next video.
And if you're serious about learning English,
Subscribe now because we practice real-life English here.
next lesson, we'll teach you how to speak at work.
Don't miss it.
See you next time.
Keep practicing your English.